If the accelerator pedal is not responsive in your Fiat 500, this may be connected to 4 different units and problems. First of all, the Fiat 500 uses the drive-by-wire system, and there is no direct connection between the gas pedal and the throttle unit. Instead, the pedal has a dedicated position sensor and it sends the readings to the ECU using a special wire. The ECU then processes the signal and operates the throttle body. There is again wiring involved. And finally, the throttle unit has its own throttle position sensor that sends back the readings to the ECU. When something is wrong in this cooperation, you will not have a proper response on the accelerator pedal. Taking into account such a system, the culprits for your problem are the gas pedal assembly, the ECU, the throttle position sensor, or the throttle body unit, and also the wiring between these modules. Among the most common problems, I would point out the gas pedal assembly failure and also the connector of the gas pedal being corroded due to moisture damage. Unfortunately, even with a very good scanner, you won't likely get closer to understanding what's happening with your car, since it will throw similar codes whatever fails in this drive-by-wire system. You may see something like the P1220 or the P0121 codes, and they're quite generic in this case, so very often it's a guessing game with this problem, and I would suggest starting with the connector on the pedal and probably replacing the pedal first, since any other culprit is less common and more expensive.